Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. English Talks. Today we are going to open a door many people are scared to touch. The topic is the middle class trap, what it is, how it quietly catches good people with good jobs, and how to escape without fear. I'll speak like a big brother who wants you to win. Simple English, real stories, clear steps you can follow even if you are busy. By the end of this video, you will have a plan you can start tonight. Let's begin with a picture. Meet Aaron and Mira. They both grew up in middle-class homes. They studied hard, got stable jobs, and finally started earning decent money. On the first day of the new job, everyone said, "Now buy a car, take a good apartment, upgrade your phone, enjoy life." So they did. One car loan, one furniture loan, one big wedding loan, 4 streaming subscriptions, and food deliveries 3 times a week. At the end of every month, their bank balance fell close to zero. They were not poor, but they were trapped. They had no savings, no investments, and no freedom to say yes to better opportunities or to say no to bad ones. That is the middle-class trap, a life that looks comfortable from the outside but feels tight on the inside. You work hard, but the money runs away through fixed costs, status spending, and small daily leaks. The trap is not about how much you earn. It is about how you use what you earn. The trap starts with 3 quiet chains. The first chain is high fixed costs, big rent, big car payments, long phone contracts, many subscriptions, and lifestyle choices that repeat every month whether you use them or not. The second chain is debt that does not create value. The newest phone on installments, the fancy wedding loan, the second car because we deserve it, the balance on a credit card you carry forward and pay interest on. The third chain is attention and time. No plan to learn new skills, no plan to create a small second income, and all your free time lost to screens. These 3 chains keep you working only to stay in the same place. Let me show you how the trap builds step by step. You get a job and a small raise. You feel proud. You upgrade your lifestyle a little. Then you get another raise and upgrade again. Each time the upgrade becomes a monthly payment, you tell yourself, "It's fine, I can afford the EMI." Suddenly, most of your income is tied to payments that must be made every month. Then a small emergency comes, health, car repair, family need, and you use a credit card because you don't have an emergency fund. Now interest starts eating your future. You feel stressed, but you keep going. You hope for a bigger raise to solve it. Months pass. Years pass. The golden handcuffs look shiny, but they are still handcuffs. I want you to meet someone else just for contrast. Ria started with the same salary as Aaron. On her first day, she did something different. She set a simple rule: pay myself first. She automated a small amount to a separate savings and investment account on payday, even if it was just a little. She kept her rent modest, bought a reliable used car instead of a costly new one, and delayed the big lifestyle upgrades. She also gave herself a learning hour 4 days a week to build skills that increase income. After 12 months, she had an emergency fund, basic investments, a small second income from a freelance skill, and 3 proof projects in her portfolio. She didn't live like a monk. She still enjoyed weekends, but she enjoyed them without fear because her money was working for her, not against her. That is the way out of the trap. You might ask, why is this trap so common? We are not taught money in school. We are told to study hard, get a job, and buy the things that show success. We are not taught simple rules like pay yourself first, own assets that grow, avoid high-interest debt, and protect your attention. We are shown a loud life on social media and we try to copy it without knowing the loans behind the photos. Also, many middle-class families teach security through fear. Don't take risks. Don't change jobs. Don't start anything. So we stay safe, but we also stay stuck. Good news, safety and growth can live together. You can keep your job and still build freedom. You can move slow and still move smart. Now let's build your escape plan. This is not theory. This is a routine you can start this week and repeat for 90 days. After 90 days, your money will feel different. Your mind will feel different. You will feel in control. Step 1 is to see the truth. Tonight, write down your fixed costs: rent or mortgage, car payments, phone and internet plans, insurance, transport, food basics, subscriptions, and debt payments. Add them up. This number is your monthly floor. Now write your take-home income. Subtract the floor. The number left is your free cash for savings, investments, and fun. If the number is small or negative, don't panic. We will move it. Step 2 is to lower your floor by 10 to 20% in the next 30 days. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Negotiate cheaper plans for internet and phone. Cook at home 4 more times a week and cut deliveries. Share transport when possible. If your car payment is heavy and your situation allows it, consider selling the expensive car and buying a reliable used one. This one decision can change your life. Keep rent reasonable. A smaller, well-managed place builds more freedom than a big apartment that keeps you broke. Every rupee or dollar not spent on fixed costs is a soldier you move to your future. Step 3 is to build your emergency fund. This is a small savings account that protects you from using credit cards for surprises. Target 1 month of essential expenses first, then aim for 3. Automate a small amount on payday into this account. Do not touch it for anything except real emergencies. When fear goes down, your choices go up. Step 4 is to attack high-interest debt now. Credit card interest is a fire. Put extra cash toward the highest interest first, this is called the avalanche method, while making minimum payments on others. If you need motivation, you can also pay off the smallest balance first to see a quick win snowball method. The method matters less than the speed. As each debt disappears, move that payment to the next one. When the debts are gone, keep paying yourself the same amount into investments. This is how you turn a burden into wealth. Step 5 is to automate your wealth. After your emergency fund starts and debt is under control, set a small automatic contribution to a simple, diversified investment every month. In many countries, low-cost index funds are a good long-term choice. If you're not sure, learn basics from trusted sources and avoid quick-rich promises. The goal is not to win the lottery. The goal is to let time and compounding do their job. Remember, this is educational, not financial advice. Always consider your situation or talk to a professional. Step 6 is to increase your income with skill and proof. The fastest way out of the trap is not only cutting costs, it is also growing your value. Choose one compounding skill that fits your field: clear writing, data basics, presentation, sales, or using AI tools to work faster. Give it 30 minutes, 4 days a week. Create micro projects that prove your skill. Share these with your manager or your network. At work, design a wins file, a simple document showing what you improved with numbers and dates. Use it to ask for a raise or a bigger role after you deliver consistent results. If a raise is not possible, carry your wins file to a better job. Outside work, run a tiny pilot for a second income. Teach a short class, offer a simple service, sell a small product, or help a local business with something you are good at. Don't wait for perfect. Start with one paid client, even if the price is low. Proof builds confidence. Confidence builds price. Step 7 is to protect your attention, because attention becomes money or lost money. Keep your mornings clean. For the first 45 to 60 minutes after waking, don't open social media or email. Drink water, get light, move a little, and do 20 minutes on your most important task. One honest focus block a day, repeated, will move your career and your money faster than 2 hours of tired scrolling at night. In the evening, give yourself a small planning routine. Write what you finished, what you learned, and one priority for tomorrow. Simple, powerful. I want to tell you a real feeling story to show the shift. Dev and Pooja were exactly where Aaron and Mira were. 2 incomes, no savings, car loan, credit card balance, and constant stress. They tried the 90-day plan. In month 1, they canceled Rs. 2,500 of subscriptions, renegotiated internet, cut food delivery to once a week, and sold their second car. Their fixed costs dropped by 18%. They set an automatic transfer of a small amount to a new emergency account and paid extra to the highest interest card. In month 2, Dev used 30 minutes a day to learn spreadsheets and built a simple report at work that saved his team time. He showed it to his manager with numbers. The manager increased his responsibilities and told him a raise review was coming in the next cycle. Pooja started a weekend baking pilot with 3 neighbors and posted simple pictures online. By month 3, her list grew to 10 customers. Their emergency fund reached 1 month of expenses, the smallest credit card was gone, and their home felt calmer. Did they become rich in 90 days? No, but they moved from stuck and scared to steady and in control. That is the true escape. Let's talk about a few common myths that keep you trapped. The first myth is, I deserve it, so I will buy it now. You do deserve comfort and joy, but joy without planning becomes stress later. Use a 24-hour rule for once. Wait 1 day before buying. Most impulses will pass. If it still feels right, buy it without guilt. The second myth is, more income will solve everything. Many people double their income and still feel broke because they also double their lifestyle. Promise yourself this. When income rises, you will keep your lifestyle stable for a few months and send the raise to your emergency fund, investments, or debt. The third myth is, investing is only for rich people. No, investing is how normal people become secure. Start small, start simple, and let time do the heavy lifting. There are also traps with big labels that look like success. A big house can be a home or a trap if the payment eats your freedom and you can't move for a better job. A new car can be a tool or a trap if the EMI steals your learning budget. A big wedding can be a celebration or a trap if the loan stays for 5 years. Choose memories without heavy chains. The people who love you will love you without the extra lights. I want you to also change a few identities because identity is powerful. Stop calling yourself just middle class. Start calling yourself a builder. You are a person who pays yourself first, who learns weekly, who shows proof, who guards attention, and who invests for the long term. Every time you keep a small promise to yourself, you add proof to this identity. Put a sticky note on your desk. Learn, earn, own. Learn new skills, earn from higher value, own simple assets. That is the path out. Here is a simple 7-day start you can follow from tonight. On day 1, write your fixed costs and find one thing to cancel. On day 2, set an automatic transfer, even a small amount, to a separate savings account. On day 3, choose one compounding skill and spend 30 minutes learning and practicing. On day 4, design a tiny pilot to make Rs. $500 or $10 this week from that skill. On day 5, create your wins file with 3 small proofs from your work. On day 6, run a 24-hour rule for a purchase you usually make without thinking. On day 7, review your week, thank yourself for every small win, and write one promise for next week. Repeat this small cycle 4 times and your life will feel different. Before we end, a quick note about family and culture, because money is not only math. If your family expects certain expenses, respect them and plan them. Talk openly and early. Share your reality with love. Explain that you are building a foundation so you can do more later with peace, not panic. Most families will support you when they understand your why. If they don't, still choose the path that keeps you safe, honest, and growing. I believe in you. Middle class is a beautiful starting place when you add smart habits. You don't need a miracle. You need a simple system repeated quietly. Pay yourself first. Lower fixed costs. Kill high-interest debt. Automate investments. Learn skills that increase your income. Show proof. Guard your attention. Give it 90 days and watch the trap open into a path. Right now, take one small action. Open your notes and list your fixed costs, or set an automatic transfer of a small amount, or choose the skill you will learn this week. Small moves today become big freedom tomorrow. You are not stuck. You are one honest step away from a better direction. Thank you for watching and spending your time with me at Mr. English Talks. If this helped you, share it with a friend who needs hope and a plan. And remember, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.